Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get straight into the video. So I always equate certain holidays with certain things. If it's Christmas, I'm going to think of a Christmas tree. If it's Easter, I'm going to think of rabbits or Easter eggs. And for Thanksgiving, for some reason, I don't think of turkeys. I think of cornucopias. I have no idea why. But I think it goes back to first grade, and when we were prepping to leave for Thanksgiving break, our teacher had us do a project, and it was making cornucopias. And since then, I've been obsessed. Now, if you're like me and like a little bit of DIY in your life sometimes, this is the perfect one for you. This video is all about giving you some cornucopia inspiration. Now, it's very easy to make. Just head to your local big box store, whether it's Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or head to Amazon, which I will go ahead and link down below for you, and grab a cornucopia and then fill it with random things, whether it's pumpkins or flowers or some sort of fall foliage. There are so many different options and you can personalize it any way you want. So I hope this video inspires you to think outside of the box a little bit and maybe have a fun family project building your own cornucopia this year. Enjoy it. It's a short one. I'll see you in the next one though.